going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com doing a review on this site, Coin To Ple, a site that is going to pay you in crypto. And there's lots of different ways you make money on here. They have some really, interesting things that's kind of different from, a lot of the other pay-to-click sites or get paid to sites that I'm going to explain in this video. So first and foremost, I like to show you my balance, show you that I have made money with it. I'm not just, signing up today and just showing you anything, but you'll see here over here, I have $8.64. That is all in Bitcoin. Like I mentioned, they pay you in Bitcoin. I will be withdrawing today just to show you the cash out process. But before I do that, I just want to show you how I make money with it. So right here, this earn coin section, this is where I make the money. Now, the first thing I do, I like to roll the faucet. So I'm going to click on here and show you what this roll the faucet is. Now, with this roll the faucet, you basically have a chance, pretty much throughout the day in order to get free crypto. It's just that simple. You'll see over here, whatever you roll, anywhere between 1 to 69,999, you get 22 coins. From here you get 36. All of these different numbers that you can roll up to 999,000. The amount of coins you can get. So all you will do is click on roll and win here. You will solve the captcha, which I go to this one right here. Not a robot. Then I click submit, capture, and roll, and see the amount of coins that I get. So right there, I got 14,991 coins. That means I get 22 coins towards my balance. Right here, you won 22 coins. So that's how it works. And like I mentioned, you can do this, throughout the day. They have a timer to go down. Let me see if I can show you the timer, if I can go right back to it. Right here, you can do this once an hour. So, pretty much up to 24 hours a day, up to 24 times you can do it, or how many times you have available. So that's just one way I do throughout the day. Another one, I go here to view PTC ads. You're going to get paid to click on ads. So I'll show you this here. And they have right here 244 coins available to earn. That's basically clicking on different ads here. You'll see here, view for 60 seconds, earn 51 coins. View for 5 seconds, earn 9 coins. And you scroll down, it'll show you the amount of time you'll need to spend watching the ad, and then the amount of coins you get. You can do this pretty much every day. An easy way to get money into your account doing that. So that's how that goes. You also have what you can play games here. Offer walls, of course, offer walls are always a good way to make money. Just, sign up for different things, submit email addresses, stuff like that. Completing surveys. You can also install mobile apps. You can watch videos and get paid as well. Right now, they have an app on their Android device that you can get, so you can have it on the go, make money doing that. Right here, this Coin To Ple quest. I'm gonna show you how I make money with this as well. So I'm gonna click on this. So if I scroll down here, you'll see different things you can do. Right here, I've already collected the free coins. So I got a reward for all of these, but it'll show you what you can do in order to receive coins. So if right here, if I redeem a promo code, which they have, via email, Twitter, and other applications, I get 48 coins. Today, if I view 20 pay-to-click sites, pay-to-click ads, I get 80 coins. Different things, completed offer and survey. You can do this basically once a day, 80 coins. So, that's just another way for you to get bonuses throughout the site. That's their way of doing it. And just, making money with the site, period. If you ever need help or have questions, you can always reach out to support. But one thing I like about this site is that they have a chat box. You can click on start chat and you'll see here all the users that they have online currently. So if you have a question, there's always somebody there to help you answer your question. So, when it comes to this site, there's lots of different ways to make money with it. Like I said, they pay you in crypto, so it's not, PayPal or anything like that. But, crypto is a nice, cool way to get paid, just a different thing. It's kind of change the pace and whatnot. So when it comes to cashing out, I will go over here to withdraw. And right here, it has different ways you can get paid. You can get paid in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Dash, and Litecoin. You just basically put your wallet you'll need to do that. It'll show you the minimum amount of coins you need in order to withdraw. So right here, 30,000 coins for Doge, Litecoin, and Dash, and 50,000 coins for Bitcoin. And you see here, I have well over 50,000, I have a little bit over 86,000. So I'm able to cash out on this site. So basically, when it comes down to that, that's basically like $5 and $3 as far as the cashing out process. But one thing I do want to show you, if you actually leave at least 35,000 coins in your account, earn 5% interest on these. So basically, you're going to earn interest pretty much every day just on the coins you have, but it has to be over 35,000. So that's just a neat way if you want to kind of let your account build up. that's just a new way you can do that as well. Just, getting interest, letting your money sit there and letting it grow, but you doing nothing. No surveys needed, no offers, nothing like that. Just letting it sit there. And one thing you'll see on this site is at the top, you'll see what people are doing, how just somebody's earning from tab research, they're earning from interest, different things, theorem research. So people are getting paid doing different things on this site. You just have to, sign up, get involved with it, and start making money with it. It's completely free, by the way, so no money's in out of your account. So now I'm going to cash out. So I'm going to withdraw to Bitcoin, and I'll put my Bitcoin address here. Then I will click on withdraw. I'm withdrawing basically all I have in my account. So click on withdraw here. It's basically asking, are you sure you want to do this? Has my Bitcoin address. You will not receive any more interest on this. So yes. So I have to enter my password in order to confirm it. Then I'm gonna click on yes, withdraw now. And it says a withdrawal has been submitted, but you must approve it via email. So now I have to check my email, which I will check it on my phone. And it did come to my phone. I can vouch for that. And I will just click approve this payment. And in my phone app, it says your payment has been approved. Thank you. So now I just have to wait for them to pay me. I will say in the past, it's taken them maybe, 1 day to pay me. I think I got paid the very next day. So we'll see how it goes here. You see all my points did go down to 0. So now I just have to wait for that payment to hit my Bitcoin wallet. So just that simple. Different ways you can make money on here. They have, clicking on ads. You can watch videos, do surveys, do offers. They have the quest, like different, challenges you can do to make even more money. So you're going to get paid via crypto. Pick which crypto you want and just, make money like that. You can earn interest on it. A lot of pay-to-click sites or get paid to sites do not offer this. Just letting your money sit in there. If you have over 35,000 coins, just letting it sit there and earn 5% annual interest on it. So, I mean, that's just something you can do if you don't really want to get involved. As far as a lot of work on the site, you can just kind of let it sit there and just build up over time. So, I mean, this site has been around for a long time, so it has paid, has really good reviews, and I've been using it for a little while, so I'm happy with it. I want to say this is my third cash out, so really excited about it, still using it. The link to sign up will be in the description. Sign up. It is completely free, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.